Every October, I say I'll keep it small. And then my card looks like I'm opening a haunted house. My wallet did a horror movie scream. This year, I'm using Coupert, an AI-powered super shopping assistant that lives in your browser. It compares prices, it tests coupons automatically, and it gives you cash back. I will show you all three, then we'll roll right into Black Friday preparations. If I save enough, I'm upgrading from shit ghost to a full-on movie quality witch. Priorities. So what is Coupert? Coupert launched in 2017 and is free. It works on desktop such as Chrome, Edge, Opera, Firefox or Safari, and even on mobile Safari. Yep. There are millions of weekly users and hundreds of thousands of partner merchants. So, yep, this isn't some mystery plugin your cousin's roommate built in a basement. This is the real deal. Coupert shows cheaper options. Example, Amazon shows $49.99, but Target has the same style at $34.99. That's an easy $15 save, right? These charts help you decide if you should buy now or wait. Now, my charts hate waiting, but my budget loves it. Now, when the difference is this big, it's a no-brainer where I'm clicking. If price tags had feelings, mine would be texting new number, who this? right now. No more Googling, working coupons 2025 and clicking sketchy sites, right, with stupid ads. Coupert just does it. That's at least 20% off without hunting for codes. Awesome, right? I know. Feature-free cashback rewards. Cashback can be withdrawn by PayPal, by gift card, or bank card. The average processing time is about 15 days, and frequent Coupert use can speed things up. Getting money back after shopping feels like finding a fry at the bottom of the bag, but crispier. Oof, yummy. Now, the coverage is huge, so you will see Coupert kicking in across a ton of stores, so you will save a lot on pretty much anything you want to buy, especially now when Black Friday comes in. As you know, Black Friday preheating starts early. There's Amazon, Best Buy, also Target, and many others. Coupert run extra cashback promos around them, sometimes up to 15%. So let me show you the triple saving stack. That's accessories paid for, or snacks, definitely snacks. Cashback is like not paying full price for the gift. Price tracking, save a New Year decoration, and set a price drop alert. Now, I used to treat full price like a personality trait. Not anymore. My wallet just texted new lease on life. I think we are back together. So install Coupert free using the link in the description and start saving today. You can compare prices or apply coupons and earn cashback all in one.